keep them even. This amazingly did go through, and it is picking up more of the lashes than the original mascara did. The Beauty Pie. I like this much better. It's called Ofir, O-F-I-R, and I will link it below. And I'm going to even tip these out a little more. I keep having the same boo-boo in the same place. Why do I do that? There, got that. I'm going to get those tip ends. And these. There it is. Okay, so now I'm going to do one last pass on this other side. Swirl around. Don't go in and out. That takes air down in there and dries it out. It doesn't take bacteria. The bacteria is on your own eyes, and it's your own bacteria, so don't worry about that. Don't ever share with anyone else. That's bacteria you don't want to get. You don't share makeup with people, y'all. If you really think someone likes it, buy them some. Like I bought 2 more of these to give to my bestie and her future daughter-in-law to use at her wedding. The daughter-in-law's wedding. They're getting married this weekend, so I thought I'd try this out, and here's what I would say, y'all. It's a win. It's a really good win. Look how good that looks, y'all. And get really close. And I'm going to pull back a little so you can see this eye versus that eye. Look how these are kind of not nearly as straight. That's part of this formula. It helps. It's kind of giving a little bit of friction to tug through, and it's just, and then it's sticking in the position I left it in. I'm going to add a little bit more here and here. Got to straighten that one up. I think it looks fantastic. And it's waterproof. So at the wedding, should somebody cry, and they're going to be very sentimental from what I've heard about their vows. Her father is not there to walk her down the aisle, so it'll be emotional. Her mother is going to walk with her down the aisle because the father's not there, and that's how they chose to do it. And then also, my friend who will be witnessing this, and her son is the one marrying the bride, she will be very, very emotional too. So they needed waterproof mascara. Y'all know my #1 favorite is Chanel Inimitable Waterproof Mascara. It is a comb spoolie, so instead of a brush spoolie, so it really combs through well. But you do need to put on, I'd say, 2 to 3 coats in a public setting, especially if you're taking pictures. I would put this right up there with it, y'all. I would say this is right up there with it. And that is all I have to say about that. I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. Tell me what you think of my lashes. Bye!